Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Friends, how are you?
Fine, miss.
Fine.
Good. And are you enjoying your online classes?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Okay, very good. So shall I start the class today?
Okay, miss.
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Okay.
Yes, miss.
Yes, I'm going to ask you very simple question to refresh the previous paragraph. So the first question is that what happened to the ship in the story? Anusha, can you please say the answer? Anusha? Hello? Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes, miss.
Yes.
Okay. So technical problems. And Dimna, can you please say that what happened to the ship?
Yes, miss. The ship got.
Very good. The ship plunged into an abyss and disappeared. Then whose voice did the narrator heard in the open sea? Gobika, can you please say the answer?
Yes, miss.
Okay, Gobika.
Velasco heard the yelling of Julio Amado Carabello.
Okay, very good, Gobika. So now I am going to show you a picture. Can you see this picture?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
What this picture is about?
This is picture of a raft.
Giraffe.
Okay, very good. Did you like to travel on raft?
Yes,
Yes,
miss.
Okay, then does anyone have experience of traveling on raft?
No, miss.
No,
Yes,
miss.
miss. Miss,
Then
I
explain your experience.
yes, miss. I experienced the joy of traveling in a raft as a part of school tour.
Very good. And did you like it?
Yes, miss. I like it.
Okay, I'm very happy to hear that. So today we are going to learn the chapter A Shipwrecked Sailor written by Gabriel Garcia Marquez. And we are going to deal with the summary of paragraph 2. So the summary explains the second paragraph, which displays the condition of Velasco, who is floating in the middle of the sea. He thought that he was not alone in the sea. A few meters away, his mates were shouting to one another and trying to stay afloat. He couldn't swim in any direction. He tried to hold on to a crate until help arrived. It was reassuring to know that all the sailors around him were also having the same predicament as the narrator. Then he saw a raft. Did you understand the summary?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Miss.
Now, page number 46 and read the paragraph silently and individually. And don't forget to underline those words which are unfamiliar to you. Okay?
Okay, miss.
Okay, miss.
Okay. Do it fast.
Okay, miss.
Did you finish?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Then I am going to divide the class into 4 groups as usual. First benchers, first group, that is Dimna, her bench is first group, and Ashwati and her bench is second group, and her bench is fourth group. What you have to do is that discuss the content with your friends and also try to find out the meaning of those words. Okay?
Okay, miss.
Okay, very good students. Do it fast.
Okay, miss.
Did you finish?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Can anyone please read the name of those words? Can you please?
Yes, miss. Afloat, reassuring, predicament, and frightened.
Very good, Yamuna. Thank you. And I will explain the meaning of those words. So the first word is afloat. And Ashwati, can you please read it? It's okay, fine. Deepti, can you please read it?
Yes, miss.
Are you there?
Afloat.
Can you please?
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
Okay.
Afloat, Floating in water, not sinking.
Okay, the float means floating in water, not sinking. That is our narrator tried to float in the middle of the ocean. Okay, so the second word we are going to deal with is frighten, which means make someone afraid or anxious. That we learn that our narrator is not frightened. Okay, the another word is we are going to deal with hold, which means grasp, carry or support with one's hand. Gopika, can you please read it?
Yes, miss.
Okay.
Hold means grasp, carry, or support with one's hand.
Okay, very good, Gopika. That is, we learn that the narrator hold on to a crate. The another word is reassuring. And Hima, can you please read the word?
Yes, miss. Reassuring. Serving or intended to remove someone's doubt or fears.
Okay, very good, Hima. Reassuring means serving or intended to remove someone's doubt or fears. That is our narrator. It was very reassuring for him to know that all other sailors were also having the same predicament like him. Okay, the another word we are going to deal with is predicament, which means a difficult, unpleasant or embarrassing situation. That our narrator and other sailors were also having the same predicament. Okay, now I am going to read that paragraph. So let's listen here. It was as if in that instant I had awakened from a moment's deep sleep. It dawned on me that I was not alone in the sea. There, only a few meters away, my mates were shouting to one another and trying to stay afloat. Quickly, I began to think. I couldn't swim in any direction. I knew we were about 50 miles from Cartagena, but I was not yet frightened. For a moment, I thought I could hold on to the crate indefinitely until help arrived. It was reassuring to know that all around me other sailors were in the same predicament. That was when I saw the raft. Okay, then Gopika, can you please read the text for the class?
Yes, miss.
Okay.
It was as if in that instant I had awakened from a moment's deep sleep. It dawned on me that I wasn't alone in the sea. There, only a few meters away, my mates were shouting to one another and trying to stay afloat. Quickly, I began to think. I couldn't swim in just any direction. We were about 50 miles from Cartagena, but I was not yet frightened. For a moment, I thought I could hold onto the crate indefinitely until help arrived. It was reassuring to know that all around me, other sailors were in the same predicament. That was when I saw the raft.
Okay, very good, Gopika. Give her a ask you simple questions regarding this paragraph and the sea. Ashwati, can you please say the answer?
Yes, miss. He heard the voice of his mate shouting to one another and trying to stay afloat.
Very good, Ashwati. So the answer is that he heard that his mates were shouting to one another and trying to stay afloat. The second question is that how he tried to stay afloat. Dimna, can you please say the answer?
Yes, miss. He tried to stay afloat by holding onto a crate.
Very good. So the answer is that he tried to stay afloat by holding on to a crate. Okay, now I'm going. Okay.
Yes, miss. It is a word that modifies a verb, an adjective or another adverb.
Okay, very good, Justin. So it is a word that modifies a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Okay, another adverb. Example, peacefully, badly, slowly. And look at the sentence given below. She spoke softly. And in this sentence, which is the adverb? Anyone can please?
Softly.
Very good. Softly is the adverb. So now I am giving you an activity. Let us find out examples of adverb from the paragraph. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Do it fast. Did you finish?
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
Yoga, can you please read the example?
Yes,
Adverb?
Yes, miss. Examples are quickly, indefinitely.
Very good, Gopika. So the examples are quickly. Okay. So now I am to do it in group, and one of the member need to present it. Okay. The question is that what appeared reassuring to the narrator? Okay.
Okay, miss.
Okay, miss.
Do it fast. Did you finish?
Yes,
Adira,
miss.
are you there?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Okay, very good. Can you please read the answer for the class?
Yes.
Okay.
The other sailors were also having the same predicament.
Very good, Adira. So, I'm going to present my own version. The answer is, other sailors around him were also having the same predicament as the narrator. Okay. Did you understand?
Yes, miss.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
I am going to recapitalize.
Yes, miss.
Then we learned the summary of paragraph second, where we met the narrator who is still floating in the water, and he thought that he was not alone in the middle of the sea, as he could hear his mates were shouting to one another and trying to stay afloat. And then he tried to stay afloat by holding on to a crate until help arrived, and it was reassuring him to know that all other sailors around him were also having the same predicament like the narrator. And we also learned the meaning of some unfamiliar words, and also learned what is a structural item adverb. So I'm going to conclude the class. Before we write a newspaper report about the incident of shipwreck, and do it and show it me in the next class. Okay, did you understand everything which we learned today?
Yes, miss.
In the next class. Thank you, dear students.
Thank you, miss.
Thank you, miss.
Thank you, miss. Thank you, miss.